Hello guys, welcome to Miscellaneous UPSC. Today we are going to discuss about important topic in environment, that is oceanic acidification. This term it is not just addition of CO2. Okay, there is so many implications and ramifications due to this addition of CO2 to the oceans. Today we will be dealing completely about this thing. What is happening? How acidification is leading to the uh, inability of aquatic animals like snails, lobsters, how they are affecting, how this phenomena is affecting their life. Okay, how it is vulnerable to these creatures. Let us see. First, we will go with the basic definitions. Okay, acidification is a change in ocean chemistry, lowering of ocean pH. Okay, increasing the concentration of hydrogen ions driven by uptake of carbon components by the ocean from the atmosphere. Okay, we know, right? Simple definition, that is pH. See, any acidity or basicness, we will be deciding with the pH value, right? Suppose any any liquid or any gas is present in between 0 to 7 pH. In between this, it is considered as acidic, right? Lower the number of pH, lower the number of pH, lower its lower its lower the number of pH, higher the acidity. Okay, pH low, high is the acidity. Acidity is high. This is important thing. Okay, relation of pH and acidity and basicity, because there can be uh, assertion and reason questions on this. Okay, in both CDS and CAPF on pH. Okay, then how this formula is, you know already, right? If H plus ions are high, it indicates acidity. Similarly, basicity is decided by OH minus ions, right? This indicates basicity. Means higher, there is a formula, logarithmic formula of this will give rise to pH value. Okay, in this manner it is calculated. So higher the H plus ions, it will give rise to low pH, that is high acidity. Okay, simple. Means intake of this carbon dioxide is resulting in acidity. Let us go into the definition. This is a basic definition, that is reduction in pH value is resulting in acidity. Okay, H plus ions, that is what it is written, hydrogen ions resulting into that. Okay, next, as the take up of atmospheric carbon dioxide by the ocean increases, the concentration of hydrogen ions is increasing, right? Carbon dioxide is increasing, giving rise to H plus ion, means acidic ions in the ocean is increasing. The concentration of carbonate ions decreases. This is important. This is the reason, the due to acidification, so many oceanic creatures are unable to survive, because they are unable to create their own shells. We will be discussing completely about this thing in next slide. The pH of the ocean decreases. Means I told you, lower the pH value, higher is its acidity, right? What is the acidity of acid rains? That is nearly 5.6, right? Around 5.6. Remember this thing. Okay, the pH of ocean is decreasing. Okay, and the ocean becomes less alkaline. This process is called acidification. Alkaline means basicity, right? See, 7, this is basicity. More than 7 is basicity, less than 7 is acidity. 7 is neutral. Okay, remember this thing. Next, this is what happens in acidification, that is ocean acidification. Let us see. This is the normal condition. Okay, this is normal condition, normal, and this is what higher emissions of carbon dioxide, what we are releasing, is doing to the ocean. Okay, actually, to a limit, oceans are a carbon sink. Okay, like forests, they even take lot of carbon dioxide, but what we have done, we have broken the cycle, that the amount of replenishment that oceans can do, we have crossed that level, and we are releasing out all the historic carbon dioxide stored in our earth. We are relieving out and leaving it to the atmosphere, which is getting into this ocean more than which can it take. Then what will happen to this ocean? Now we will see. Okay, this is normal, right? Suppose a reasonable amount of carbon dioxide is taken in by ocean. Okay, what happens? See, after carbon dioxide entering ocean, that is H2O, what it will happen? What will get created? Carbonic acid will get created. Now let us come on to this thing. Here, few amount of less amount of carbon dioxide is getting dissolved in ocean, but here some n number, I mean more, is getting mixed with oceanic water. So n number of things are getting generated. Okay, this is okay. Then what is it going to happen? After that, this thing is getting disintegrated into H plus and A. So in this, these things are reacting with these carbonate ions. Okay, already produced carbonate ions, which are very essential for lobsters and few aquatic animals, corals, for creation of their shells. Okay, so some amount of carbon dioxide is get absorbed into ocean. Okay, if this carbon dioxide entering into the ocean increases significantly, what will happen? There will be less amount of carbonate ions to get used for these animals, right? There will be no carbonate ions to calcification. Calcification. This is a process by which these aquatic animals, the marine animals, will create their shells, their houses. So what we are doing by dumping this carbon dioxide into this ocean, we are, with our higher usage of these emissions, we are depriving these animals of their shells, and after unable to create their own shelters, they are getting extincted. That is what happening due to this oceanic acidification. Okay, we will go into some deeper. Okay, this is okay. This is ocean surface, right? Suppose this is belly. This is a person and his belly. Saturation means what? It is a limit up to which that person can eat. Okay, that person can eat. Optimum. Suppose he went to a buffet. What will happen? He will eat over, right? That is more than his capacity. That is over saturation. Suppose he is on fasting. What he will do? He will eat very less on that day. Means he is under saturated. Okay, means he can accommodate more food on that day due to his less intake. Similarly, even in ocean also there is saturation. Means Here saturation is depending. Suppose we are talking about that corals and shells, right? Suppose that that animal dies, this calcium carbonate has to dissolve, right? Dissolve in water, dissolve in water. That is oceanic water. If limit up to certain limit it got dissolved, means it has reached saturation. Suppose more more calcium is getting included into this thing. This is over saturation. Okay, means over saturation is present on the surface of, near the surface of ocean. Okay, below that, that is in depth, there is amount, means under saturation, means there is a space for saturation to occur. This is under deep waters. Okay, deep waters, deep sea. This is surface. Okay, means here corals can live because there is uh, over saturation. There is no space for corals to dissolve here, so this is a good place for corals shells to live. Or suppose they have crossed this level and came here, what will happen? Not knowing only, if before dying only their shell gets dissolved in water, but here there is no space for their shell to get dissolved, means they can stay here. So okay, all this all this thing is happening between this line, right? This line is called saturation origin. Due to oceanic acidification, what is happening means this line is moving up, means it is taking away the space for the shells to reside, means they are coming under what, they're coming under saturation. Means the moment they fell into this phase, what will happen? Their whole shell will get dissolved, right? Whole shell will get dissolved, due to which that aquatic animal will die. This is what happening due to acidification. The saturation origin is moving up, means it is giving space for dissolution of that calcium carbonate. Even usually the dissolution will then happen when that shell dies, when that coral dies, then that shell will drop into that deep sea and it will dissolve. Suppose that animal is still alive, and even some that origin is moving up, not knowing only, even that animal is alive, its own whole shell will get dissolved and only a tail will dead, only that its body will be there. Means after few minutes unable to sustain in that environment, that creature will die. That is what happening due to this oceanic acidification. Okay, what is this liso lisoclean? This is nothing but this line only. Suppose, but in technical time they are saying lysoterm, means where there is a under saturation, a line separating under saturation and over saturation is Lyso's line. According to this, what is happening? What is happening due to ocean acidification? This line is moving up, means it is causing vulnerability to these creatures on the top. And even it is, two things are happening here. What is happening? One, due to acidification, origin is increasing due to acidification. Origin is increasing, saturation. Origin is increasing, and even due to that high amount of carbon dioxide taking away their carbonate ions, with which carbonate ions which with which these animals create their houses, that is shells, is being deprived. So what is happening? We are utterly killing these uh, corals, cold water corals, mollusks, crustaceans, and shells. We are taking their homes. Similarly, like what? We are taking their bricks from them. That is this carbonate ion, with which they can create their shells. This is what happening to oceanic uh, acidification. So what things we can do? First we need to reduce our carbonic emissions, that is carbon emissions, by you know all these things from childhood you have been learning, afforestation, or else diverting yourself to renewable energy, with which we will reduce our fossil fuels. Similar things you can do. Okay, thank you. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, give a thumbs up and share my channel. Thank you.